Alright, so I'm going to be unboxing the Philips Sonicare C3 Premium Plaque Control Brush Heads, where it's supposed to remove up to 10 times more plaque versus a manual toothbrush. So here they are. Comes in a nice packaging with toothbrushes in here. Always get your best clean, that's what they say on the side. For best results, use genuine Philips Sonicare toothbrush heads. So that's what this is. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to go cut at the top where it shows me to cut. And open this up, and here they are. Sonicare, 2 of them come in here, nicely packed in here. C3 that it shows on the side right here. This is C3 and Philips Sonicare. So let me go ahead and take this off. And the bristles, there's 4 different sets of bristles. 2 on the outside, 4 on the outside on either side, 2 dark blue, and the hard to reach spots are for the green right here, and in the middle you have a different type of toothbrush. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 4 different types of toothbrush bristles inside of here. So here are the toothbrush heads, C3. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have an idea of what they look like. Thanks a lot for watching.